Conversation about talking. Hi, how are you doing today? Lovely weather we're having, isn't it? Have you seen any good movies lately? What do you think about the latest news? Do you have any plans for the weekend? How long have you lived here? Did you grow up around here? What kind of music do you like? Have you read any good books recently? Do you follow any sports? What's your favorite thing to do in your free time? How's work going for you? Do you have any pets? Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently? What's your favorite restaurant around here? Do you enjoy cooking? Are you watching any TV shows right now? What kind of hobbies do you have? Do you have any upcoming trips planned? How did you spend your last vacation? What kind of movies do you enjoy? Have you ever tried any new restaurants lately? How do you usually spend your weekends? Are you into any particular sports or activities? What's your favorite season of the year? Have you been to any good concerts recently? Do you prefer coffee or tea? Are you working on any interesting projects? What's the best place you've ever traveled to? Have you heard about the new place that opened downtown? Do you enjoy outdoor activities? How do you usually unwind after a long day? Are you a morning person or a night owl? Have you tried any new hobbies recently? Do you like to cook or bake? What's your favorite way to spend a Sunday? Have you seen any good plays or performances lately? Do you enjoy going to the beach? What's your favorite type of cuisine? Are you a fan of any local sports teams? Do you like to read? What's your favorite book? How do you usually celebrate holidays? Have you attended any festivals or fairs recently? Do you enjoy gardening or plants? What's your go-to weekend activity? Do you prefer movies or TV shows? Have you met any interesting people lately? What's your favorite type of exercise? Do you enjoy playing any games, like board games or video games? Have you tried any new recipes lately? What's your favorite place to relax? Do you have any favorite podcasts? Have you seen any interesting documentaries? What's your favorite way to stay active? Do you like to travel? What's your dream destination? Are you into any particular art or craft? What's your favorite holiday and why? Have you attended any interesting workshops or classes? Do you enjoy any specific types of events, like concerts or sports games? How do you stay informed about current events? What's your favorite childhood memory? Do you have any favorite quotes or sayings? Have you been to any interesting museums or galleries? What's your favorite type of dessert? Do you enjoy spending time in nature? What's the best meal you've ever had? Have you picked up any new skills recently? Do you have a favorite place to shop? How do you usually spend your evenings? What's your favorite movie genre? Do you enjoy any specific types of music festivals? How do you stay organized? What's the most interesting place you've ever visited? Do you enjoy writing or journaling? What's your favorite thing about your hometown? Have you ever attended a sports event? Which one? What's your favorite way to treat yourself? Do you enjoy any outdoor sports or activities? What's your favorite app or website? How do you usually start your day? Do you like to attend live performances? What's your favorite way to spend a rainy day? Do you enjoy any specific genres of books? What's the most interesting fact you know? Do you have any favorite traditions or rituals? What's your favorite way to stay healthy? Do you enjoy visiting historical sites? What's your favorite type of weather? Have you ever volunteered for any causes? What's your favorite family activity? Do you have any favorite podcasts or audiobooks? What's your favorite type of cuisine to cook? How do you usually spend your lunch breaks? Do you enjoy visiting theme parks? What's your favorite way to stay connected with friends? Do you enjoy any specific types of movies or shows? How do you like to spend time with your family? What's your favorite way to relax on the weekends? Do you have any favorite local spots or hangouts? What's something new you've tried recently? Don't forget to subscribe to Ongbo YouTube channel.